So, this is what happens in our vast India. Every society has its own culture, isn't it? Culture is the society's ideas, their type of art, their type of living, the type of eating. So you saw the two different cases. One is Kerala and one is India. Dance, music is also a very big part in our culture. Music is really a very big, it gets to people together and we come to know a lot, we see a lot, we learn a lot. So tick the correct answers, is your job. In all Indians are one despite their beliefs, festivals, country differences. India has two major kind of dances, classical and folk. Agriculture in India depends on its geography. Historical and geographical factors influence religion, unity or diversity. Large paddy fields and coconut groves are found on the coastal belt. Right, true or false? The differences in our culture spoil our lives. True. False. India gives no importance to dance and music in its culture. False. Our heritage has few famous monuments and buildings. False. Most people in Kerala know how to read and write. True. Short answers, long answers. Short answers you will do, long answers I'll do for you. Okay. So we'll do it that way. And you finish this chapter and learn about it. After that we'll come to all human beings are equal. I'll be also putting up questions for you on the website. You must check it on the download section. And as I have done before. So as the vacation is over, you are going through the classes and make sure you read the chapter and understand MCQs, multiple choice questions like choose the correct answer. Get those to know those. Read the chapter. If you read the chapter, any multiple choice question you will come to know. I read the chapter with you. I have never read it before. I gave you the answers. Like it says, India has two major kinds of dances. Kathak and Manipuri, they are a dance of India. Odisha and Kuchipudi, they are a dance of Odisha and Telangana. Classical and folk, they involve everything. All are classical and have folk dances here. So it's knowledge, I read and I come to know with you and I understand, that's all I say. Okay? So you're going to do those on yourself and in your copy and make sure you learn, otherwise there will be a problem. All human beings are equal. We must know what is equality, right? We came to know what is diversity. We also know how geography influences us, our habits, correct? At times we meet people who are very different from us. Some people make fun of those who are different. Some people make fun of the language. Main thing, people make fun of language when they don't understand it. They develop negative attitudes and opinions against such people because they feel safe with only those who talk, dress and think like them. Prejudice and discrimination exist at both the individual and the social level. To get rid of prejudice and discrimination, we must deal with existing beliefs in the society. We must first come to know what is equality, then we should go to prejudice, discrimination and stereotypes. Okay? So in the next class we are going to do this. Till then, take care of yourselves, do the homeworks and eat properly, sleep properly, respect your parents love them as much as you can. Don't upset them, don't make them, always listen to them, and lead a disciplined life. Okay, so that will be the best thing possible. So for your future it will be okay. So see you, bye bye, take care, and God bless you.